Welcome back to Pressalit Singapore. Today I'm going to be showing you the unboxing of the SCT2100, which is the changing table. So the SCT2100 will come with two main items. This one is where the mounting bracket is and the power supply as well as the actuator is. So unbox it and let's see what it has inside. It's well protected with all the safety buffers. So just remove them, remove this, sticker, and there you will see the cover for the mounting bracket as well as the it's secured with the Allen screws, so you have to remove the 4 Allen screws with the Allen key. So please remember to remove them. After you remove them, this is SCT2100 as you can see. After you have removed them, you can now remove the cover and let's see what's inside. So inside here, you will see a couple of things. The main thing is the bracket, sliding bracket. This sliding bracket is controlled by the actuator. Yeah, and you will have the power cord, and this power cord is IP rated. Means it's protected from water spray. It goes inside here, and this is where the switch mode power supply is. The switch mode power supply also has the control box inside, and these control the actuators. The remote control will be accessible and it's going to be pulled out, and this is where the user will use to control the movement of lifting up and lifting down. Yeah. And this is the other major component of the SCT2100. This is the changing table itself, and it comes properly packed. Here I'm going to open up now for you to see. Let me just open up this one. Put this one over here. And there you go. It's always protected. It's sealed very nicely, taped very nicely. I have already removed the tape, so it's much easier for the video. It will always come with a drainage hose, and this drainage hose eventually, once the changing table is being hooked up onto the bench, onto the bracket, then you will have to plug this here, and this is to drain water from the changing table. Yeah. So I'm just going to lift this up now so that you can see. If you can come over here, you can see the table itself. Okay, so I'm just going to lift that up now. Yeah, there you go. Voila! Beauty, isn't it?